formula, I thought this shade on top is a little bit moussey. It's not as liquidy as the other 3 shades, which is the original formula of Huda Beauty. I think they're absolutely beautiful, perfection formula. Huda Beauty is one of the best liquid lip formula in the market. It makes your lips so nice. The formulation is absolutely perfection. They last very long, they're easy to apply, and I'm so happy that they're coming out with these darker shades. I highly recommend this collection. I love them so much, and I think that you're gonna love them too. There are 3 new shades and 1 OG shade, which is Trendsetter. I don't know if I have a favorite. Trendsetter is an OG. I love that shade. Alpha Femme is a cooler brown. On top is in the pinkish, and I love using this as just like a blot effect on my lips. And then this shade is very sexy. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!